Psychologists have a name for what you're doing right now: pre-crastination anxiety. You're so worried about the task that worrying becomes the task. Here's the paradox: the longer you wait, the more psychological weight the task gains. Your mind turns a 10-minute job into this monster. It's called cognitive load amplification. Every time you think, "I should do this," and don't, your brain files it as unfinished business, adds emotional weight, stacks guilt, compounds dread. You're not avoiding work. You're avoiding the inflated idea of work your mind created. Dr. Timothy Pychyl's research on procrastination revealed something crucial. We're not avoiding difficulty. We're avoiding negative emotions we associate with the task: boredom, inadequacy, confusion, fear. But here's the psychological breakthrough: those emotions don't decrease by waiting, they increase. The only way to deflate them? Exposure therapy. When you start, even for 30 seconds, you expose yourself to the reality of the task. And reality is almost always less threatening than anticipation. Psychologists call this the foreshortened future effect. Once you're in something, your brain stops catastrophizing and starts problem solving. The fear doesn't go away because you feel ready. It goes away because you prove it was lying. Test it. Prove your fear wrong. 30 seconds.